Wherever we look, someone is touting a new gluten-free product. You know, if you think about it, 10 years ago, we hardly knew what gluten was, never mind trying to avoid it. Today, restaurants and manufacturers are rushing to tweak recipes and adjust labels to make sure they don't miss out on this multi-billion-dollar gluten-free market. But rather than running to the store to get some off-the-shelf product, what if I told you that you can make freshly baked English muffins right in your microwave that are gluten-free, very low in carbs, and are downright tasty? All we do is mix some almond flour, which is very popular right now, with a bit of gluten-free baking powder. Once combined, we add in some canned pumpkin, a splash of milk, an egg, and a little cinnamon. After this is smooth, we spoon it into a shallow microwavable soup bowl and pop it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes or until the center is set. That's all there is to it. When it cools, we have single-serve freshly baked treats that are full of flavor, not gluten. Now we can serve this up in place of our old standby hamburger bun without all the guilt, or toast it and it's just as welcome with a rise and shine breakfast. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for what we call Easy English Muffin, which is low in carbs and gluten-free. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a healthier way for many of you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."